So here we have a compound interest question. It's a little bit different than the last one because it's a worded question. Now, my handwriting isn't great, so I'll talk through the question. It's: a woman invests €12,500 for 3 years at 6% per annum compound interest. Calculate the interest earned in 1 year, 2 years, and 3 years. The first thing you do with all these questions is you write out the formula we use for compound interest. As soon as you see this word, compound interest, you're going to be using the formula. And the formula is A is equal to P brackets 1 plus or over 100 to the power of T. This is given to you in your log table, so you don't have to learn it off. Now, what we have here is P is the principal sum, or the starting amount. The starting amount. Or, here is the interest rate. And T is simply the time in years. And then the final bit there is this is the amount after T years. Now, it's no harm to just repeat that over and over again. We're going to be using that for each 3 parts of this question. Now, for part 1, we have the principal sum is €12,500. The interest rate is 6%. And the time is 1 year. Because we're only interested in the interest earned after 1 year, that's what we'll use for the formula. So for this one, we will have A is equal to 12,500 times 1 plus 6 over 100 to the power of 1. Now, to get the calculator out and to have a look at what that is equal to now, I'll just move the calculator over here so we can see the sum. We have 12,500. Now it's multiplied by, so we can just put the bracket in there exactly as it's written, 1 plus. Now we have a fraction, so you need the fraction key here. And we've got a 6 above the line, arrow down for 100, arrow across, and close the bracket. And this is to the power of 1 because it's time for 1 year. So once it looks like this in your calculator, you'll definitely get the correct answer. We just press equal to there. And we get 13,250. 250. So, for the interest earned, it's equal to the amount minus the principal sum. 13,250 take 12,500, and again you can use your calculator for this. And we get an answer of €750.
So you're shopping.
Okay, that's fine. I'll just move over. Is that okay there now? I'm going to continue on. Okay. So, right. Focus again, please. I'm going to do part 2 here now. I've room to do it on this side here. Now, what we have here for part 2, and I'll do part 2 in black just so that we can see the difference in it there. Now again, we have the principal sum is, we'll start off with the 12,500. That's the starting amount. It's like a completely different problem. Our interest rate is 6%, and in this case our time is 2 years. So, substitute it into the formula. We have A is equal to 12,500 times 1 plus 6 over 100 squared. And solving this one then, we'll do it again into the calculator. So if I go, we have 12,500 bracket 1 plus 6 over 100, arrow across, put in the final bracket, and y to the power of x 2. And that works out to be 14,045 euro. So the interest earned again is equal to A minus P, which is the amount, which is 14,045. Take 12,500, so we can do that there. And we get our final answer of 1,545 euro. And we have that answer there written just at the bottom. Okay.